Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Soundboard in PC. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to get a Soundboard application. So there are various Soundboard applications that are available on the PC. So the most popular and the working one is an application called Voice Mode. So let's go ahead and search for Voice Mode, and this is the official website. So once you click here, you can see the option for get voice mode free. Click over here and then you'll have to create an account. So I have already created an account and the voice mode has been downloaded successfully. So I've already installed this voice mode. So let me go ahead and open the voice mode application. So here you can see I have already searched for some soundboards. So here on the left hand side you can see the option for soundboards. So once you click over here, here there are some soundboards available and you can add some more as well. So once you click on add, here you'll get an option to choose from different type of soundboard. So if we search for some like sad, so here you can see there are various community sounds, and then we can just add it over here. And here you can see the soundboard or the sound is added. So here you can add a keybind as well. So when you press the button, the sound will be played. So let's go ahead and click on P, and when I press P, the sound will be played on your PC and it will be played through your mic as well. So here next what you have to do is, on any application that uses your mic, what you can do is, here I'm going to give you an example. So if I click on audio input capture and select my mic, so here you will see various devices. What you have to do is click on this microphone where it says voice mode virtual audio device. So on any other application that uses your mic, such as Discord or any other games, on the audio input section you have to click on this voice mode virtual audio device or soundboard to work. So yeah, once you do that, you will be able to use your soundboard in your PC. So that was it. That is how you will be able to get voice or soundboard in your PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.